I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action drip. Give here the drip API token. So please visit drip user settings. Copy the API token and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an account. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the drip dashboard. Under the people, navigate to the active. Here you can see that the data came successfully in the drip. Thanks for watching.